Yes, it's the fire station. Today is my first day at work. Oh, and this is my nephew, Noah, and my niece, Lottie. I'm very excited. Now, all I need is my uniform.
Yes! Uniform! I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Your new uniform.
Oh, thank you, Joe. It's very smart.
You can wear it when you're putting out the hot fires.
Well, I'm going to put on my uniform. You can wait here by the fire engine.
Wait. Your helmet.
Oh, thank you.
You hold this one too.
Oh, Joe. Joe. We need to fix the hose. The hose has water, and we need water to fight fire.
Ah, water? My second delivery. Wait here. Water.
That's not enough.
Look at this.